Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame. As we can see, not too much to report today. We are essentially just moving in line with the rest of the market, pretty much one for one. All of our large caps look exactly the same as this. You can see quite clearly on the charts here for Polygon that we are basically just having a very significant pullback a few days ago, in line with pretty much everything else. Bitcoin having a pullback, and therefore all of our altcoins having a very big pullback as a result. Really nice come down here, liquidation coming back into previous structure. Looking like we're bouncing to the upside today for Polygon, but as you can see, still well on our way back up inside of this huge bear market range that we've been in after that deviation of the low and that liquidity grab beyond. As I said in previous videos, I took a long position down here. As you can see, bounced to the upside, and then we obviously had a really nice continuation to the upside here as well. Overall, things looking really solid. It's quite clear on the charts right now that we are basically just retracing back after a long period of consolidation at the lows of the bear market. Obviously, the election for Trump was very important as well. Extremely good catalyst for so many cryptos. Pretty much exactly as that happened, we launched into a really bullish phase of the market for that third wave, I would say, of the bull market for a lot of cryptos. Polygon has had a really nice time of things from that swing low at around 28 cents, getting up to around 75 cents or so, so pretty much almost a 3x. Very nice price action indeed. You can see this is pretty much looking exactly like most of our large caps. We've got Cardano here, which has been outperforming a lot of our large caps, to be fair. But this is looking very similar in terms of that raw price action to a lot of other cryptos. And Bitcoin right now, looking like it's starting to chop sideways at around that 100k level. Because of that, you would probably expect that you'd be seeing a little bit of a time for the altcoins to basically having their rotation of capital and a continuation to the upside. We all know in bull markets, when Bitcoin starts to go sideways and gets boring, we do see the capital rotate into other cryptos. We've been seeing our large caps like Polygon have a really nice time of things recently. But you do have to be aware of those bumps in the road and those pullbacks that can inevitably come. But overall, as I said, I'm not too concerned at all about the price action of Polygon right now. We're basically just chilling and waiting to see what happens next in terms of whether Bitcoin's going to drop and drag the markets down. Bitcoin's going to keep going sideways and allow our altcoins to keep moving up like this, or if Bitcoin pumps to the upside again, and we'll probably see our altcoins just not do anything for a while as that capital continues to rotate back into Bitcoin for another push. Right now, we're just chilling and waiting to see what will happen next. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.
you.